So the sun is set on day one of our release experience here in Mauritius. You can just about see behind, we're celebrating what an amazing day we've just had. And this is training in the travel franchise world. So today we landed in Mauritius. The sun was shining. We had breakfast on the beach, courtesy of the Chandrani Hotel. We then chilled for a bit. We relaxed, unwind, got a bit of sun time before we then had a lovely lunch on the beach. The beach clearly features heavily on this trip before we headed out, and we took a bit of a speedboat ride out across the ocean, and we got to see the sights and sounds of Mauritius from a different point of view, which is absolutely amazing. We got to go and see some waterfalls, which are absolutely picturesque and one of the big tourist attractions here on the island. We also saw some of the local wildlife, native monkeys, absolutely stunning in the wild, as well as getting to see some amazing sights and sounds and fish jumping out of the oceans before coming back to relax and unwind ahead of our first day of coaching and training tomorrow. So check out our social media and the videos and photos to see just some of the sights and sounds from today.